Comedic Relief Rob got a new truck. New to him. 3.5 EcoBoost work truck, long bed. Gonna be pretty fun. We're actually gonna do the same thing we did to mine, the 2-inch lowering in the rear to get rid of the rake. And then he just picked up some nice XLT wheels, so that'll be summer wheels, 18s. That'll look pretty good. Just did a JS alarm remote start to it. Pretty easy install. Plugs into the back of the gateway module. It's a T harness. And then pretty simple instructions. I've installed a lot of these. This one is the no honk. Basic installation. You can pause the video and read that. Takes like no time. And then operation wise, it's as simple as lock, unlock, lock. That's it. So that's the no honk one. They do sell a double lock or double honk style, but then you're beeping. And then same sequence if you want to shut it off. It still does honk if you lock it. So, pretty cool. Alright guys, we'll see ya.